Alright guys, so I happened to go in Walmart and was grocery shopping and went to go look at the plants. Why not take a peek? Because I'm a plant mom, right? And I got these plant babies. So I'm going to show you all the ones I got and you will see the prices right here. Look at the prices. Do you see how healthy, how nice? Usually stuff that's on clearance is not taken care of. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Look at that. That's one. Like, so healthy, so nice, so beautiful. Like, yes, I did a haul on it talking about the names and everything. I'll put that in a related video. I did it as a live so you can know the names and, you know. I got these, actually got these for my kitchen. So yeah, I'm loving it. And here's the other one. Look at this beauty. I had to zoom out, okay? Look at this beauty. Healthy peace lily. Look at all the lilies. So you know she's healthy. She has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lilies. 7 or 8 lilies. Nice and healthy. And I love these because I showed you guys this in the video. These are the ones that when they droop, it's time to water. So they tell you when they're ready. Look at the price. Look at the price. Okay. So that's plant number 2. And she's going to be sitting on the counter as well. My daughter and I were talking about this. This is plant number 3. Look at that. And who can tell me what this is in the comments? I'm not going to show the tag. I probably already did. But yes. $4. $4. $4. Beautiful, isn't it? So that's my other baby, and I have this one on top of the refrigerator. And here's the other. Boom. Look at that. And oh, they're in self-watering plant pots. Okay? These pots make the plant cost more usually anyways. And look at this. Nice and healthy. Nice and healthy. It had a couple little wivel leaves, but I cut those off. $5. So I got 4 new plant babies. 4 new plant babies to filtrate my home and cleanse the air in my home. $19. And I think she's gonna go on the island. I had a little plant there, but I put her over here. And that's the one I got from Aldi. So I put her over in the corner. I don't know, I'm gonna work with it. Once I get my cabinet lights in, I'll really see how I like it. And I think because I record a lot, I'm gonna probably paint the under part of the cabinet. I don't know, I think I might do it white so to reflect versus doing it the color of the cabinet. So we'll see. But yeah, she's over there. Look how healthy, look how nice and healthy she is. Has a little, but you know, things like this sometimes you'll get, they won't be all the way perfect, but for the price, she's very healthy. And I've seen some, and the sunshine comes through, like the sun is coming through the window, so they're gonna do good. See, that one's there, this one's here. I think I might keep her here. Not sure, but I like to live with stuff. Let me fill it out, see how I feel, and then I'll move it if I need to. The sun is fighting with me. So yeah, and then her I had over here just on the corner of the island sitting. So yeah, for right now, that's where she's gonna go. So yeah, those are my new plant babies. Is up here on the thing. It's not impeded by the TV or anything, so that's where that is. Tell me what you think, and are you a plant mom? Do you love these plants? Do you have these plants, or did you want to get any of these plants? Talk to me in the comments. I talk back, and I will see you guys later, gators.